Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you connect an MSI monitor to Xbox. So here's a fix for your HDMI settings, 120 Hz, HDR or no signal. Step 1. Connect the HDMI cable. Plug one end of an HDMI cable into the Xbox. Plug the other end into the HDMI port on the MSI monitor. Step 2. Turn on the devices. Turn on the MSI monitor and then turn on the Xbox. Step 3. Select the HDMI input. Press the menu or Navi button on the monitor. Go to Input Source. Select the HDMI port connected to the Xbox. Step 4. Set the best display settings. On the Xbox, open Settings, go to General, select TV and Display options. Choose the monitor's recommended resolution in which is 1080 pixels, 1440 pixels or 4K. Select the highest supported refresh rate which should be 120 Hz, 144 Hz, etc. Step 5. Enable gaming features. Open the monitor's gaming menu. Turn on adaptive sync or FreeSync if supported. Set response time to fast. If there's no signal, make sure the HDMI cable is connected securely. Verify the correct HDMI input is selected. Try a different HDMI cable or HDMI port. Restart both the Xbox and the monitor. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.